Hello, I'm Josh. I'm one of the trainers at SFD, and I'm going to show you how to use the light bar and patient flow. So, on the appointment book, you'll have all of the clinicians open, and you may have some patients who are marked as in surgery and also marked as arrived. Now, in order to show the light bar initially, all you need to do is go to the oven on the main toolbar at the top, click on that, go down to where it says light bar and choose that. And then it will open up where you can see each clinician with who is in surgery or who is currently arrived. So you can see under Nigel, you've got a green tick to show that there's someone arrived. To show the patient flow, go to the three dots and arrows at the bottom of that little section, and that will show the patient flow, where you can see the patients who are either in surgery and arrived. Now, if you can click on them and you can depart them at this point, and if you can also click on them and change them from arrived to show that they're in surgery. When you do that, what will then happen? It'll change from the green tick to the blue chair, and it will update the light bar so you can see Nigel now has the patient in surgery.